Security is a crucial aspect for any organization. It can be extremely frustrating and tiresome to find a credible security agency because nowadays we are loaded with unnecessary information, advertisements, and numerous brochures piled up on your table with tall fake claims. We at Profix Security work with an altogether different approach. We only say what we mean. Profix Security is a company which works with the motto of providing manpower to empower. Because we believe that your security department is the epicenter of your power. At Profix, we give the power of choice to our customer. We simply present what we do and how we do it. And we make sure to have a very transparent communication with our client. We take pride in having no stone unturned to make sure that our customer gets what he wants. We believe that customer satisfaction builds customer relationship, and customer relationship builds our business. It is because of these powerful customer relationships we today have a strength of more than 1,000 security guards spread across the entire state of Gujarat as well as Maharashtra. Profix Security was born in the year 2010 and was the brainchild of Mr. Suresh Punjabi, who currently leads the company with his strong vision. Mr. Suresh Punjabi, with his 35 years of business experience and wisdom, has constructed a strong foundation for the company and its team. His legacy is currently being carried on by his son, Mr. Karan Punjabi, who leads the operation and the training department of the company. Mr. Karan is a postgraduate in industrial security from Raksha Shakti Police University. He is an A-grade security trainer certified by National Skills Development Council. He is also a certified soft skills trainer with dual certification in facilitation skills and advanced behavioral skills. So now the question arises, why should you choose Profix as your security partner instead of any other company in the market? What is that one thing that we do differently than others? Our biggest strength is our trainings that we give to our security team. We have a very creative training infrastructure that ensures quality content delivery to all our security guards irrespective of their geographical location. We believe that training is a continuous process and it should be available anytime, anywhere, and in all possible modes. Our training methods include customized and exclusive e-learning video tutorials prepared as per the security policy of our clients. Through this, the guards can learn about the security policies and procedures anytime, anywhere, and perform their duties in an effective manner. We also conduct classroom and on-job trainings to make sure that the security guards are well versed with the SOP and routine activities of the company. Our extensive training programs cover all crucial aspects of security in a holistic manner. Our training syllabus includes modules on access controls, discipline and turnout, visitor handling, and telephonic and reception job roles, along with fire and safety. We make sure that you don't need to worry about the security of your organization and all your energy is utilized in achieving your own business goals with complete peace of mind. We have a strong reporting pattern which ensures that your organization is ready with all the information that it needs at any point of time. Our troubleshooting team is available 24/7 for resolving any issue that may arise. We not only provide manpower for your security department, but we also prepare an SOP for every single task that is to be carried out by the security guards in your organization. We submit you regular night checking reports, training reports, and site visit reports with all our honest observations every single month so that we can review our work on monthly basis. I would now like to give you a sneak peek into company's picture gallery and show you the list of clients who have chosen Profix as their security partner.